Notice that indeed, notice what happens, right? It cloned that first template with aliens, right? It cloned it 3 times and then just added it to the TD, right? What we need to do is the only thing that we need to do here is maybe edit the aliens and replace it with the actual title. Yes, just you manipulate the small parts of it, right? So if we go back and perhaps add a class here, just so that we can grab it from jQuery, we can say that this is the title. Right? We can grab that and replace the content of the TD with the actual title of the movies, right? So let's go back. And what we could do here is that now that we have the row is the clone of the template, right? We can replace certain pieces of it. Maybe the poster, right? The URL that points and shows a different thumbnail, right? Maybe we could change the date of the release, who the director is, any information that might be specific to the actual movie. So we can replace it and say tr. This is the row, right? So the row is way up here. I need to be able to navigate down to the title, right, to the TD element who has a title, and replace the content. Yes? So let's do that. So TR allows you to, again, what jQuery provides is mechanisms of navigating this DOM tree up and down the tree. You can navigate to your parent, you can navigate to your children. To navigate to children, you can use find. Find me an element who's a child of mine that has a particular selector, right? Find it, and you can retrieve by ID, and here we're going to retrieve by class. Find me a child of mine who has a title class. Once you found it, maybe I can assign it to a TD, right? And now I can replace the content instead of append. What append will do is it will add more content. If it has aliens, it will append some other title. It'll just concatenate more content. I don't want to do that. I want to replace whatever you have. I want to replace your HTML content. I want to replace your HTML content entirely. I don't care what you had before. I'm just going to blow it away. And instead, in its place, I want to do movie sub I dot title. There we have. So Avatar, Titanic, Terminator 2. But this is less error prone, right? Because I was not building each individual TRs, each individual TD. This HTML, even though not very complicated, it's a single TR with a single TD. It could be something fairly complex, right? It could be an entire div with lots of columns and rows and pictures and lots of classes, right? Instead, by cloning it, I can use this as a template and then modify the little pieces that I need. Make sense? Right? Even though this is, obviously it provides a nice API that you can build the content yourself from scratch, it's still a little bit error prone, right? Ideally, you would leave the styling, the creation of layout, you leave that in HTML, right? And you only manipulate what you need in JavaScript, right? You avoid as much as you can, you avoid having to create content in the wrong language. Yes? Clone the title. What do you mean? We did, right? The content was Avatar, right? We saw that it copied Avatar 3 times, right? So we brought in everything, the original content, untouched. So that's why it rendered aliens 3 times, right? Because it was cloned, right? What we're doing is that before rendering it, right, we're going and navigating down to the TD and replacing its content with our own title before putting it back into the DOM. Okay. So everybody okay? Everybody with me? All right, excellent.
Hi everyone, Jose here. Please remember to subscribe and like the video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you.